Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. So today I wanted everybody's formal introduction, as in, hello, my name is, and then just end it up. If you want to say something extra, as in you are an engineer, you are a student. If in case you are a student, you would say, "Gakse this." Hajimemashite watashi wa keijiri desu, gakse desu. If you are not a student, you would say, voice is audible, voice is clear, everyone?
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So in between you can add I'm a student, or you can say you are a company employee, kaisha in this, and anything else. If somebody is a housewife, she can say shufu this. Any other professions, any other details that you would like to add in that formal introduction? Anyone? Yes. Okay, whom shall we start? Who is starting? A normal Jiko Shokai. Everybody knows how to give a Jiko Shokai. So until everybody joins in, we can at least have the Jiko Shokai. Hi, Minasan.
Hi.
Okay. So Akhilesh-san, you are starting first?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, dozo.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi no namae wa Akhilesh-san desu.
Okay.
Watashi wa Gishi desu.
Okay. Hi.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Dozo, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay? Always end it up with dozo, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. And yes, Akhilesh-san, one more thing. San we will not use for ourselves. Okay? आपल्यासाठी आपण san नाही वापरणार. Me, Akhilesh, you are not going to say like that, because san is respectful form and it is used for the person you are talking to. So you would say, watashi wa Akhilesh desu. For yourself, never say san. Wakarimashita ka minasan?
Wakarimashita.
Okay. So, Akhilesh-san wa gishi desu ne. Akhilesh-san, doko ni sunde imasu ka? This is a question. Where do you stay? Doko ni sunde imasu ka? If you want to write it down, please write doko ni sunde imasu ka? Doko ni sunde imasu ka? Answer will be, if I want to say I stay in Pune, I will say Pune ni sunde imasu. Similarly, hi Akhilesh-san.
Ni
sunde imasu.
imasu.
Hi. So this is one pattern. So that we will be having in lesson 14. Te imasu. So I am living. So it is a present continuous tense. So that we will be learning in lesson 14. Sunde imasu. Okay, Deska. So yes, who is starting next? Yes, anyone? Jiko Shokai?
Watashi wa name Harsh. Watashi no gakuse desu.
Okay. Hi, Harsan. When you meet somebody, you would firstly say,
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Okay, ohayo gozaimasu. Hi, Sugiwa. Next is okay. See, firstly you would say hajime mashite or ohayo gozaimasu. Greeting. Okay. After the greeting, you would say watashi wa harsh desu, or you would say watashi no namae wa harsh desu. Okay. And how we can say? We can firstly put our surname and then the name, just like we use in Devanagari script. So similarly, we can do like that, surname and name. So I can say watashi wa kunte sejaru desu. Okay. If not that, just you use your name and say watashi wa sejal desu, watashi wa harsh desu. Okay. Then what do? You're a student or you are a working person. So if you're a student, you would say gakse desu. Again, you don't need to say watashi wa gakse desu. It's understood that we are saying about ourselves. So gakse desu. Okay, this ka gakse desu. And then end it up. That is dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Okay? Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu, or just dozo yoroshiku. Moichido, shall we do it again, Harsh-san?
Hi.
Dozo.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Hi.
Watashi wa harsh gakse desu.
Harsh desu. Then gakse desu.
हाँ, dozo yoroshimasu.
Hi.
Dozo yoroshiku.
Dozo yoroshiku. Hi. Dozo yoroshiku, Harsh-san. Okay, Sugi. So we have Harsh. Harsh-san is a gakse. Akhilesh-san is a gishi. Gishi te nan desu ka? Gishi?
Engineer.
Hi. Okay. Sugi wa dare ga iimasu ka? Who is saying next? Sugi. Hi. Hi, Priya-san, Shambhavi-san, iimasu ka? Hi.
Can I go or is
Shambhavi-san, okay. Daijoubu desu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi wa Shambhavi desu. Daigakusei desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Hi, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Shambhavi-san. Shambhavi-san mo daigakusei desu. Daigakusei means college students. A normal gakusei means any student, and daigakusei is college student. That is the only difference. Hi. Sugi wa dare desu ka? Sugi wa dare desu ka? Hi, Priya-san, iimasu ka?
Yes.
Hi, dozo.
Just Ohayo gozaimasu.
Hi.
Watashi wa Priya desu. Ibento man desu. Ibento manager desu.
Hi, hi. Wakarimashita.
Uh,
Hi.
yeah, I'm Priya and I am an event manager.
And at the end, you would say dozo.
Dozo yoroshiku.
Hi, dozo yoroshiku, Priya-san. Okay, this. So Priya-san ga owarimashita. Akhilesh-san to Shambhavi-san mo owarimashita ne. Sugi wa Apurva-san, Monika-san, Tayabba-san, iimasu ka?
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Hi, ohayo gozaimasu.
Watashi wa Apurva desu.
Hi.
Gakse desu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Hi, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Apurva-san mo gakse desu. Hi, tsugi wa Monika-san to Tayabba-san wa mada desu ne. Mada means yet, yet, yet. So they are yet to give the introduction. So Monika-san to Tayabba-san. Hi, dozo. Hi, dare ga iimasu ka? Monica-san, imasu ka? Okay. Tayabba-san wa do? Okay. So we will move ahead. We'll take their introductions at the end. So everybody got these basic 3 sentences. Hajime mashite, watashi wa, your name, this. You can add your surname as well. Surname first and then name. So normally you see the names coming in between. Suzuki, Honda. So these are all, actually they are family names, surnames. Tomoko Terada. Okay, so like that, these are mostly family names. They are said first and then the actual name of the Japanese person. So that way you have to say in between, you would be adding more and more things later on. So now you have said just gakse this, daigakse this. You can also add where you stay, Pune ni sundeimasu, Mumbai ni sundeimasu. Then you said about the profession and something else we can add as in our hobbies. Nani nani ga ski this. So yet to come, we have to do these patterns and then we will start adding these things in the Jiko Shokai. So Jiko Shokai, it is a part of Mensetsu, the formal interviews. So this you give, plus you give some more details about maybe your profession or maybe your likes and dislikes. So that we will be putting. Okay. 今からひらがな皆さん書きましたね。I got from Harsh san, from Priya san, Akhilesh san, and okay, 4 to 5. Shambhavi san has also sent it to me. Okay, so it is fine. Some of them I have not sent. So, anyways, we will start with the next set. That is
Ohayo
Hamayara.
gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu, Tayaba san.
Ma'am, can you please repeat? I missed my starting because of some network issue.
Starting as in I had taken everybody's Jiko Shokai. Was formal
What does
introduction.
that mean?
Formal introduction. So that means
Okay.
starting you have to say Hajime mashite or Ohayo gozaimasu. Okay.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Hi. Next, your name you have to say. So watashi wa Tayabba. This that way you would say. Hai dozo. Watashi wa.
Watashi wa Tayaba desu.
Hi. And in
Hi.
between you can say I am a student. So I am a student would be gakse.
Watashi no gakse desu.
Hi. Watashi wa gakse desu. No will not come. No is off, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So I am a student. So watashi wa gakse desu. Just put gakse desu.
Yes, ma'am.
はい。次は、どうぞよろしくお願いします。どうぞ。どうぞ。
どうぞ。
よろしく
どうぞ。よろしく。
お願いします。
Sorry.
Okay, はい。大丈夫です。大丈夫。We'll practice it again. So, as of now, we'll go ahead with Ha,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma, Ya, Ra, Va. These series. So, you had written, most of them had written. Only Ka. Ka should not have that hook kind of figure on the top. ठीक है का चीजें लाइन असते हैं प्रिया सान का की जो लाइन होती है वो मतलब थोड़ी सी कर्व्ड है पर ऊपर जो थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट साइड में एक मतलब स्ट्रोक आ रहा था सो that should be removed. That's it. Otherwise everybody had written nicely. No problem. ठीक है. Initially these things keep happening. We don't know how to write the hiragana perfectly. So keep on looking at Jisho and then keep on practicing it. So akasatana we had written akasatana words, right? So we'll go ahead with hamayarava. I'm sharing my screen and we will start with the new words. So again, I would be giving words in like this as in Romaji. So hiragana words earlier we had written from A till na. Now we are writing hiragana words from that is ha till an. So hamayarava an. An actually we don't have any word from an. So all of the remaining letters we are writing the words with them. So first word would be starting with ha. That is, I want to write hana. Hana means flower. Any kind of flower. If I want to say it's a rose, so rose is called bara. Bara no hana. So on the right side, write hana. You can write it later on or now, up to you. So hana no atova haha this. Now again this differs. My mother or somebody else's mother. The name differs. For my mother, I will call her haha. For somebody else's mother. So what does your mother do? Oka-san wa nani shitemasu ka? So I will not say haha wa or anata no haha wa. It becomes very rude. So Oka-san, what does your mother do? Hi, Sugiwa. Hashi this. Hashi. Now hashi, here it is a bridge. Hashi also has another meaning. It means a chopsticks. Now both can be written, both have to be written in hiragana. So I will write a chopsticks as well. So you eat with the help of the chopsticks. So hashide tabemasu. Hashide tabemasu. Right? Otherwise you cross the bridge. Hashi o watarimasu. Wataru is to cross. So I'm crossing the bridge. Hashi o watarimasu. Only the kanjis are different. Both of these words, their kanjis are different. The reading is same. It is hashi. Then we come on to fuku. Fuku is cloth, clothing, dress. So you can say dress. Any kind of dresses. These clothes. So these clothes. Anofuku. Those clothes. Sonofuku. Dress, particularly a dress for the females, it will be doresu. Doresu in katakana. But in general, clothes, that will be fuku. Fune this. It is not hune, fune. Because fu, when you write down the fu, ha, he, hu, he, ho. So hu also has another sound that is fu. So these all will be having fu sound, not fu sound. So it is fune. Fune is a boat or a ship. Then we have he. Normal he. That is a day. It is not hi. It is he. So today we will be doing some days of the week. Hi, so that was about ha series. Ha, he, hu, he, ho. I'll give you some more, 2 more. So 7th is Hoshi. Hoshi is a star. And then number 8, Heya. Heya is room. This is my room. Korewa watashi no heya desu. Heya desu ne? One. So we are going ahead with Ma series now. So number 9 is Ma series. So first is me. Normal me, me. That is eyes. Singular, plural, we don't know. Me. Together, me. Singular, plural, we cannot identify in Japanese. It is kind of one limitation of the language. So unless you don't say the numbers, it is not clear whether it is one or it is many. Actually, Mimi te ears this ears. Mimi. Sigiva atama. Atama is forehead. Forehead. Atama. Right. Sugiva. Umi this. Umi is a sea. Sea. If I want to say an ocean, ocean has another word. It is Kaigan. It is Kaigan. So it is having another pronunciation. So it will take time. We have to learn double consonants. So after this is done, I am starting with double consonants as well. Sugiva, umi no ato wa namae. You know this word. Namae this. How to write na, ma, e. 3 letters. So that means name. Sugiva, mi, na, mi. That is south. East, west, north, south. Some of them are having double consonants, so hence we'll write the directions also afterwards. Gimina mino atowa hakasatana hama. So mano atowa ya desu ne. So ima ya hajimemashou. Ya kara ya yu yo desu ne. Ya yu yo no naka de hajime ni yasai desu. Yasai. Anybody knows about this word yasai?
Means holiday.
Yeah. That is yasumi.
Oh,
That is yasumi. Yasai, vegetables. Hi, yasai, vegetables. Giva. Yes, some of them must be knowing. Yama. Nan desu ka? Yama. Yama wa nan desu ka?
Brand.
this is not.
Mountain. Hi. So Yama is a mountain. Again, I will be teaching you in kanjis when 2 readings come. The mountain is called Yama as well as San. But when we want to say Mount Everest or Mount Fuji, we don't say Fuji Yama or Everesto Yama. We say Everesto San. So that is in kanjis. Hi, Yama no ato wa heya desu. Heya. We have done this in so let's not take heya. Okay, we'll take Yuki. Yuki is snow. So the snow is pouring. That is Yuki ga furimasu. Yuki ga furimasu. So like that, Yuki. Yomu. Yomu is to read. Now you can see the oo sound over here. So it is a verb. To do something. It's a verb. Kriyapad. So yomu, to read. Read something. Next is yume. Yume is a dream. Now, when the words are prolonged, when the words are not prolonged, you have to keep that in mind. So yume is a dream, but when I say yume, so it is famous. Similarly, we had done yuki just now. So yuki means snow, whereas yuki means courage. So that we have to keep in mind. Even if we prolong that word by mistake, the meaning changes. All right then. So ya. Sunato wa ra ne. Akasata na hama ya. Ra. First is re. So we say rebun. What is that rebun? Re this ne. So
Example.
re. Hi. Example this. Re is an example. And bun is a sentence. So example sentence. Re bun. Riva. Roku. This we have done earlier. Anybody? Roku tenan desu ka? Hi, Roku. Dare ka shitte imasu ka? If you were there in the demo, we had done numbers.
6.
Hi.
X.
Hi. Okay. Sudiva, Shiroi this. Hi. Shiroi. White color. Tori. Bird. So if we say chicken, chicken is also called tori niku. Niku is a meat. So the bird meat, that is tori niku. Hi. Sudiva, tori no ato wa kuroi. Kuroi this. Kuroi wa black this. So akasatana hamayara. Now last is wa. So 25th wa. I can give the first word as watashi. We always say this word. So watashi means I. 26th. Suppose I want to say denwa. Denwa is a telephone, right? The landline phone. Normally a landline phone. Because if you have a mobile, that is a ketai. It is a ketai or mobiru. So denwa is a landline phone. So denwa. So the wa that is there, it is this wa. Hamayara wa, that wa. And from just one word. Hi, sensei. Sensei, teacher. When they talk to a doctor, they also call the doctor sensei. Okay? As in sir. So when talking to a doctor, they call him as sensei, him or her. Okay, one more word. You have done kombawa, right? You may not be able to write. Let's take konnichiwa. Hi. So now konnichiwa. When I'm writing wa over here, this is ha, okay? This is ha. Hamayara wa. So that ha is there. So konnichi. Kon. First write down kon. Ko an. Then ni chi. And then this va should be there. The ha wala va. It is not va wala va. Not this one. Denva. Not the va of denva. It is ha. It might be little difficult because this is a big word. Konnichi wa. So once we will do the double consonants, you'll come to know. Hi, minasan kakimashita ka? You can complete hiraganas later on and you can send me. Okay, this ka.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes,
And if
Srinivasan,
at all, yes.
ma'am, can you please explain the splitting of konnichiwa?
Konnichiwa. First write ko,
Yes.
then an,
Okay.
then ni,
Okay.
chi,
Chi
and
wa.
then va. Va should be ha. A va be this. So that va should be over here. Ko, n, ni, chi, va. 5 letters.
Because when we write this in hiragana, that is the splitting you would have to take, na, to write this in hiragana. Like you'd have to use the letters ko, an, ni, chi, wa, ha.
Yes, you would have to use them. Otherwise, how to write NN? Initially, it is little confusing. So, kun, you have to split the words and then write them. Okay, this ka. If you want to
Hi.
type here, you all have JWPC, right? Everybody has downloaded JWPC. Okay, never mind. You can down. Take care, take care. As of now, you write and send me. I want to see everybody's writing. So later on, we can do the typing work in Hiragana. As of now, I would not suggest. Okay. So whatever we are doing, you can send the pictures on the group. No problem. Imakara ano Yobi Hajimema show. Something new we will do today. So that is Yobi. Yobi, days of the week. As in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. Okay, Tayyab, I'll let you know. Da, it is yet to come. Da is yet to come. We have not done da yet. So we have done tachit suteto. So we are going to put a ten to it and then convert it into daji zudedo. Tachit suteto will get converted into daji zudedo. That's how you will get da. Hi, Yobi. First, I'm saying Getsu Yobi. That is Monday. Kayobi. That is Tuesday.
Suiyobi.
Hi, Suyobi. Wednesday. Hi, Sugiva. Hi,
Moku.
Yobi ne. Moku Yobi. Forever. Thursday. This. Goban.
Kinyobi.
Yobi. Hi, Yobi. Friday. Hi, Sugi.
Doyobi.
Yobi. Saturday. Michi Yobi. Sunday this. You can learn the initials G, K, S, M, K, D, N. So that one word, if you learn, you are done with it. Mostly calendars, they have this and they have it in the kanji. So as in the kanji of Getsuyobi, it will be written something like this on the calendar. So Getsuyobi, 3 kanjis together. Okay. Hai, minasan kakimashita ka? Getsuyobi, Kayobi, Suiyobi, Mokuyobi, Kinyobi, Doyobi, Michiyobi. Hai, owarimashita ka?
Yobi spell is Youbi or
Yes.
Yobi?
No, it should be Youbi. We write prolonged because when we start writing hiragana, there also it has to be prolonged. So that is why we write Youbi.
Okay. On the top of the O, if you write some dash like.
Then also it's okay. It's understood.
Okay.
That we can do as per our need because eventually what we have to do, we have to prolong it when we start writing it in hiragana. Otherwise it will go wrong.
Okay.
Okay. So Getsuyobi, Kayobi. Still double consonants are going to come here. So you might not be able to write Ge, Tsuyobi, etc. Because Gagi, Guge, Go. you have not learnt these sounds. Kaki kuke ko turns into gagi guge go. So we'll go on to that. Okay. So we'll start with the double consonants. All right. So we are here on to the double consonants. So you have learned the series Akasatana Hamayarava, right? So what is the series? It was Ka, Sa. So vertically Akasatana Hamayarava is written, Hamayarava an. Then out of that you just select Ka, Sa, Ta and Ha. Okay? The consonants that you have selected is Ka, Sa, Ta, Ha. Here you can see Ka, Sa, Ta, Ha. These are forming double consonants. So DC, double consonants. What is the meaning of double consonants? That is consonants having another sound. It means consonant having two sounds. So one, it is having the sound ka, right? So ka, sa, ta, ha series. It is a series. So here I will write ka, sa, ta, ha series, not single ka, sa, ta, ha. Okay. So kaki kuke ko, sashi suse so, tachi tsute to, hahi huhe ho. All of these I have taken the entire series, and then this series is called double consonants. So out of all of these, Akasatana Hamayarava, and you are just selecting ka, sa, ta and ha. These are DC. These are double consonants. Consonants having two sounds. So first they have sound ka. Second they have sound ga. So now this we will learn the double consonants. So kaki kuke ko, that is same. Kaki kuke ko sound. Now we are adding a tenten. So tenten means these two dots you can see. For example, I'm writing here again. So here I'm writing just ka, and now this I'm typing. So when typing, this automatically comes on the right side. You can see top side there are two dots. Okay, some languages have these dots. Even German has it. It has a umlaut. Meaning is different for that, but these kinds of words are there. So we have in Marathi or in Hindi we have kana matra, okay, to make the sounds different. But in Japanese they have this double consonant tenten they have. So tenten we have to switch to another sound. So ka turns into ga. So ka turns into ga. So ka ki ku ke ko turns into ga gi gu ge go. Just put the tenten, then the sound changes. Kaki kuke ko turns into gagi guge go. Okay, this Kamina-san. So Giva. So Ka series is done. Now we'll go on to Sa series. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So turns into Za, Ji, Zu, Ze, Zo. Sa looks different here when you are typing. Do not worry, what you are writing is correct. So you are writing sleeping, standing in like this, a comma-like structure. So they have joined that comma-like structure with the original line. What we are writing, it is a basic sa, so that is okay. Sa, then ki, you can see these kinds of differences. Then in mu also sometimes, in o. So while writing cursive or you can see in the typing matter, it looks different. Okay, so sashi suseso turns into zaji zuzezo, right? Zaji zuzezo. So please write this down. Sashi suseso turns into zaji zuzezo. Shall we go ahead?
Hi.
So ka, sa. Now we are going on to ta. So ta, chi, su, te, to. It turns into da, ji, zu, de, do. Okay, we got this da. Tayabba was asking for da. So da, ji, zu, de, do. Now after writing this, I will give you words that have to be written with these double consonants in order to avoid dzu, zu, the mistakes of dzu and just zu, that is zu. So this is zu, this is zu. This is little heavier, zu. Okay, zu. So da, ji, zu, de, do. Hai, owarimashita ka? So ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Below that, write down daji, zu, de, do. Just add a tenten, right? Daji, zu, de, do. Writing is important. Do not rely on the printed matter because we have to write. Otherwise, it's no use learning the language. You have to start writing. You have to start speaking. Hai, Tsugiwa. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. It turns into ba, bi, bu, be, bo. So the ha series turns into ba series when I put a tenten. So after putting the tenten, you get babi, bu, be, bo. So that was ka, sa, ta, ha with a tenten. So until ba series, we were using tenten. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho turns into babi, bu, be, bo. Now again I'm taking that ha, hi, hu, he, ho series over here. I'm putting a maru. You can see the sign has changed. So it has changed into a round shape on the right side. So that is called a maru. Marui. Marui is round. So just a maru shape. Maru. So when I put a maru, it becomes, the sound changes into a third sound, that is pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Hi, okay, this ka.
Hi.
Okay. Minasan kakimashita ka? Double consonants. Hi. Owarimashita ka, minasan?
Ma'am, what will be the reference for the hiraganas for these double consonants?
What do we?
Where will we get the reference for writing the hiraganas for these double consonants?
Where will we get the reference, as in I didn't get it?
We're using the hiragana dictionary for following these letters to write it.
Okay.
So that these letters will also be there.
Yes, yes, obviously, because see, if you have a Random House dictionary, the dictionary that we normally get here, so Random House dictionary will have everything from English letters, right? I, O, O, Kaki, Kuki, Ko. So all the letters will be there. So when you are searching from Japanese to English, so initially you have to see ka first, and after ka is over, you can see ga. Okay? So adjoining ka, you can find, if I want to find out some word, maybe tegami. But now tegami is starting with te. It will not be there. Gakko. Say gakko. Now gakko is a school, right? So after ka series words are over, then you can see the ga series words in the Random House dictionary. Again, if you see a typical Japanese dictionary, it is called a Kokugo Jiten. That we don't get here normally. So Kokugo Jiten, what happens? Again, akasatana. You know this order, right? So after a, words with a are over, then we get words with ka, then with sa. So when ka words are over, we get the double consonants word adjoining to this ka in the dictionary. And now it is simpler when we are using apps. It is so simple. I mean, just here I'm putting. If I say gamen, I want to say gamen. Gamen is a hi screen. Okay, a picture. This you can see. This is my screen. So this is a gamen. So it is starting with ga. So here there is no need of the order that you are asking. That after ka, where will we get the reference? Here you can simply type and find it out. Same about the jisho that we use. So just put the word gamen or arigato or any kind of word you can put, and you immediately get the meaning. Okay, this ka. So if possible, you can.
Hi.
Hi. If it is easily available, you can get this Random House dictionary. It is good for N5 level. Even if you don't get, it's okay because nowadays we have all electronic media available. Jisho.org on the internet, or you can just use the Jisho app. So that is much simpler. So, all right. So, Kaki Kukeko turns into Gagi Gugego. Sashi Suseso turns into Zaji Zuzezo. Tachi Tsuteto turns into Daji Zudedo. Hahi Huheho turns into Babi Bubebo. And then when I put a Maru, it is Papi Pupepo. Okay, this comes.
Hi.
Would you be able to pronounce these words because da, ji, zu. Zu is little difficult.
Hi.
Right? Okay. Will some of you tell me the pronunciations? Discard the Kaki Kukeko series. Just say Gagi Gugego. That's it. Hi. Ga series. Anybody? Ga series.
Ga, gi, gu, ge, go.
Hi. Okay, this. Sugi, next. Anybody with Za series?
Za, zi, zu, ze, zo.
Hi. So Za G. It is G. Z Janai. Suriva. G this. So Za Ji Zu Ze Zo. Okay. Sugi. Da series.
Da ji zu de do.
Hi. Da Ji Zu De Do. Hi. Sugi. Ba series.
Ba
Ba,
bi. Okay,
bu,
fine.
be, bo.
Okay. Hi. Sugi.
Pa pi pu pe po.
Hi. Okay. So now we can write some more words, but I will teach you one more concept and then we will take some another set of words. Or maybe next time we can take because today already I have given you many words to write. So, hi. Kuriva, small su this, ne? This is a second concept. So write down. First concept was double consonants. So kasa taha series, you can turn into another sounds using tenten and amaru. Now coming to small tsu, or we call it a chi sai tsu. Chi sai means small. The word chi sai means small. So chi sai tsu, generally it is said like this. So what happens when I want to say certain words having double letters? Kippu, kitte, zashi, words are Japanese origin, okay? But I want to, when I'm writing it in Romaji, what I'm doing, I'm putting double P. For example, see now, let's write this in Romaji. It is kitte. So here what I did, double T, right? So wherever double T is coming or a double, here it is Z-A-S-S-H-I, zashi, double S. Kippu, K-I-P-P-U, double P. Here also it will be Hapyaku. Here Ropyaku. So wherever this double P, double S, double T is coming. Okay, do not use double N. Double N is excluded from this list. So because konnichiwa we had written konnichiwa, right? We don't use this chi side su over there. We use un. We write un. So right here you can just put double T, double S, double P. Like these words when they are coming twice, double words. So we have to put a chi side su. So kitte, just for writing kitte, initially you will write ki, right? Ki is already written. Now double T has occurred. So instead of this double T, you have to put this small su. Now the size of this small su has to be 1/4. Okay? We had written the hiraganas in the box, right? So box is again divided into 4 parts, correct? So out of those 4 parts, below you can see the 1/4 box, right? On the left side. So that 1/4 size, this two should be of that 1/4 size. It should not be even half. It should be small. Okay. So 1/4 size of the box. Hence we had written in the boxes so as to get the proper sizes of these hiraganas. So there are some hiraganas that are going to be written like this. So tsu is going to be written like this. Then yayu-yo is going to be written like this. So this is another rule for yayu-yo. But starting we will do just this. So this should be 1/4. Remember that. So ki, chi side su, and then te. We have te in the picture. So te you should write te. So kitte. Again zashi. Now zashi, you know how to write za, right? Zaji zuzezo. So za, I have put a tenten for za, small su, and shi. Zashi. So please write down the words. Then there is kippu. Again in kippu what happens? Ki, we wrote down ki. Okay. Then double P. So instead of double P, you have to put chi saitsu and then pu, pu. So pa, pi, pu, pe, po. So that pu we have written having the maru. So it is having a maru. It is not a ten, it is a maru. So when you want P pronunciations, it should be a maru. When you want B pronunciations, it should be a ten in Ha series. So that was kippu. Sugiwa, hapyaku. Hapyaku is 800.
800.
Hi, hapyaku. So ha, you wrote as it is. When PP is coming, you have to put this small su. Okay? Then pya, PYA. So this is also yet to be done. You don't know how to write this. So pyaku we will be doing in the next rule. Pyaku. So if this you are not able to write, you can discard it. You can just write HAPPYAKU. Hapyaku. In this also, chi side su will come. Once you have done with this rule, then you will be able to write hapyaku, ropyaku, etc. Hai, wakarimashita ka?
Hi. The meaning of that kitte, sashi, and kippu.
Hai. Kitte is stamps, postage stamps. Postal stamps, postage stamps, that is kitte. Next is zashi. Zashi is a magazine. Any magazine, automobile magazine or a film magazine. So any kind of a magazine is zashi. So give a kippu. Tickets. You can say tickets of a cinema or railway tickets. Again, tickets are called chiketto as well. So sometimes they are referred to as chiketto, otherwise kippu. Okay, a musical concert. They have taken the tickets of that musical concert. So kippu.
Any kind of ticket.
Any kind of tickets is kippu. Hi. So give a hapyaku, that you know. Ropyaku also you know.
600.
So these things we have done today. So we'll go step by step. I mean, yayu-yo we'll keep for the next class. That is it is little bigger. It will require time. And then we have this combination also. So here you are combining your double consonants with the Yayu series. So this we will take together. Then there is prolonged vowels. So just now we had done Getsuyobi, Khayobi, right? So we had written Yobi. So what happens to Yobi? It is prolonged. So these sounds are prolonged. So this we will do in the next part. Okay. So Monday to, yes, the week, days of the week. Anybody who can say the days of the week? Starting from Monday.
Getsu yobi,
Hi.
kayobi, kayobi,
Hi.
sui yobi,
Hi.
moku yobi,
Hi.
kim yobi, do yobi, nichi yobi.
Okay, this. So Getsuyobi, Kaiyobi, Suiyobi, Mokuyobi, Kinyobi, Doyobi, Nichiyobi. Okay, so we will quickly revise what we had done in the last class. So yes, I'll just have to stop the share. We had done the grammar patterns. If you remember, we had done the combinations of wa, ka, no, mo. So I'll go on to the Vaka no mo and again some more translations. Right, so Eva be this, Eva be Devari Masin, Eva be Deshta, Eva be Devari Masin Deshta. Everybody knows this? Yes? Is not, was not. We did ko, so, a, do. Everybody remembers do, just forget do. We have not done do. But ko, so, a is fine. You have done all of these.
Hi.
Classification of koso, ado, kore, kono, koko, kochira. Everybody knows. Then we had used particles wa, ka, no, mo. Okay, some translations. Using wa, ka, no, mo. Yes, anybody? You can have different options. I mean, for that, you can have sono, you can have soko. So like these options are there in our language also. We can have different word options or different ways of saying the same sentence, having the same meaning, right? So same applies in Japanese. So whichever you think of, you can say.
Sono wa kissaten desh. Sorry.
Sono. Okay, now you're saying sono wa. Now what is happening here? Sono. Immediately
Sorry.
after sono, what should be there?
Kissaten.
Noun.
No. Sono, there should be a noun compulsory. Okay? So after sono, you have to put a place. So you can say tokoro. Tokoro.
Okay.
You know tokoro wa kissaten this. That place is a coffee shop. Instead of that place, there. What do we say to there, Minasan? You're there, that over there.
Are?
Anu.
Just that is a coffee shop. I'm
Anu.
using no, we are using we are using so series only. Ko, so,
Okay,
ado. Yes.
Sono.
Sore.
After sono and sore, what comes after sono?
Soko. Soko.
Soko.
Soko. Okay. Soko or sochira you can use. So sochira wa kissaten this. Soko wa kissaten this. That is a coffee shop. That place is a coffee shop. Okay, this ka. Okay, so wa ka no mo. We have done no also. Hi. どのように書きましょうか? Okay, so let's simplify. I'll not put also. Now it is okay. This is not my pen. Firstly, you have to negate. You have to say no. Okay, is not.
Penny, what is it? Penny.
You know how to say this.
Korewa.
Hi.
Pen is pen.
This is not my pen. So, my. The word my is
Watashi.
Watashi no.
hi.
Korewa watashi. Pen.
Possession of me. माझं.
No.
Mine.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Korewa watashi no pen.
Hi.
Devarimasan.
Devarimasu.
Eva. Sen. Okay. So, asking a question. Is Mike a student? Eva be this ka? This pattern? How to use this pattern?
Mike Sanva Gakse Ka.
Mike, okay, Mike Chan. Wa. Gaku say this.
Ah.
Ka. Eva be this ka? Hi. Okay. So, Eva. Mm. Hi, Mr. Miller. So this is also Miller's book. How you say?
Koremu Mila San Hondes.
Hi, Koremo. This will be in katakana actually, but we'll use Mira San no Hon des. Okay. Yesterday it was. It was Wednesday. We did just now. Eva B. Simple Eva B. Deshta.
Ova Suyobi Deshta.
Hi. No. Wa. Suyobi. Deshta. What do we say to tomorrow? It is Saturday. Kal Saturday hai. So we'll write that also.
Ashta.
Hi. So you don't know these words actually. No, tomorrow. We have not done it them, right?
Yeah.
Not done them. Okay.
Sava.
Ashta.
Doyobi.
Hi. Do you be this? Okay. So time periods also we'll do. Ashta, etc. We've not done them properly. Just they have come in the words. Hi. Hai, kore wa daijoubu desu. Kore made okay desu. So today you do the hiragana writing and again send the pictures. Only for the starting, I need to see how hiraganas have been written by all of you. Later on, not much of them. Just when writing the tests, you would be sending me those pictures. That's it. So, kore dake desu. So today we did double consonants and chisaitsu. So now in the next class, we would be doing words with double consonants and chisaitsu, plus some more combination letters and a mixture of combination and double consonants. So these are excluding the 46 letters that we already did. So we did akasatana, hamaya, arava, right? So all of these 46 letters you wrote, you practiced them. Other than these, there are all of these double consonants, chisaitsu, etc. So these are basically ways in which you can put up different pronunciations to the same hiraganas. This will be continued in katakana as well, but as of now, we'll complete hiragana. And once it is done, you are able to read hiragana properly. We'll switch to the books, and along side by side, we will start with the katakana letters also. So here we'll stop with today's class. Nanika mondai shitsumon ga arimasu ka? Mondai basically is a problem. So mondai is also a question, but it's a problem. If somebody has any problem, so you would say mondai ga arimasu ka? But instead of a mondai, you would generally say shitsumon. Shitsumon is a question. Hai, minasan nanika shitsumon ga arimasu ka?
いいえ、ありません。
Yeah.
Arimasen ka? Okay. Mata shukudai shite kudasai. Shukudai ite nan desu ka?
Hiragana, we have to write the hiragana words.
Hi, hi. Shukudai homework. So no, homework this. So hiragana words in the words that we did from Hamayara Va series, and please go through the concepts of those double consonants and chisaitsu. That's it. Everybody has downloaded the books. We would be requiring them now.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
So the translations book as well as the book textbook. So translations book, we would be reading the concepts and then we would be switching to the textbook. So 1 or 2 lectures in between, we will start reading few pages of the book. So you can go through the book in the meantime as well. Okay. So kore de owarimashou ka? Shall we finish it here?
Hi.
Hai. Otsukare sama desu.
ありがとうございます。
はい。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
はい。じゃあまた。
Arigatou gozaimasu.
はい。じゃあまた。